Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Michaels haul for Valentine's Day, and I'm very excited to go through these bags with you and to show you some of the things that I got today. So if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to give you different ideas like today of crafts that would be easy for you to do, different curriculum ideas or organizational ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let me show you what I have in these boxes. These aren't boxes, these bags. So I'm gonna set them up here. There's some of them that are a little bit heavy, so we'll put them down. So first of all, I just wanted to say that all this stuff was originally $100, but the Valentine stuff right now is 50% off. And then I had a 20% off my entire purchase, including sell items. So it ended up being $42. So I think that's a pretty good deal. If I had waited sometime next week, I probably could have gotten them for 70% off, which would have been a better deal. But I honestly just don't have a whole lot of time to stop at Michaels. Sometimes I do shop online because that's easier, but not all their stuff's available online. So today I had time, so I figured I'd stop by, and I know I still had some coupons to use, so I still got a great deal on all this stuff. So let's show you. So several of the things, all of the things, I have 4 of because I have 4 children. So the first thing that I got is this unicorn dream catcher. I don't know. I think my girls are gonna love this. My youngest, that's almost 3, absolutely loves unicorns. So it's like a little dream catcher that they can make. And I think my boys will think it's fun too. It might be a little bit difficult and require a little bit more of my help, but I thought it would be a good activity and a lot of fun. So that's the first thing. And then the next thing that I thought was cool was these little mobile kind of things. I'm like, is that what you would call it? I don't know, but it's pretty simple. It has the big heart and a whole bunch of little ones. And then I'm pretty sure how they put these hearts on is they just stick 2 of them together and the string goes in the middle. So I figured that would be pretty easy for them to do. So I really liked that one. And then, let me see. Like I said, I have several of a lot of them, so it's kind of hard to find them all. So this is for a Valentine's bag, and for homeschool, we have a homeschool group, and on Valentine's Day, they go to a place with lots of trampolines, like a jump zone, and they all switch Valentines and hand them out and just play and have lots of fun. So normally we make our bags, at least the last 2 years. I have this cute little design that I'll share with you in my blog post down below that you can make a monster, like a love monster type bag, and it's really cute. But I didn't want to have to worry about it. It requires some pre-work and cutting stuff out. So I saw these ones and they were pretty cheap. So I got 2 of these unicorn ones for my girls. And then there's a dinosaur one right here that you can see for my boys. And it looks pretty simple. It does have some glitter, which I have a love-hate relationship with, but I figured it would be easier than me having to prep everything and cut and get all the supplies for me to make some for them. So I'm excited to try these out and let you know how it goes. So these are the 2 that they had. They had a few other options for different Valentine's boxes for school if you are doing something like that. So those were really fun and cool. And then I got a few bags of things like this. We'll see if we can find the other one in a minute, but some hearts so they could just decorate like different pictures if you just need them to have something to do in the afternoon for maybe a quiet hour or something. They could take these and go decorate, or if you are doing boxes or bags for a Valentine exchange, you could use these to decorate those. So just a cute, easy resource to use. And a lot of times I have them left over so you can have some for the next year. And here's the other one. I was like, it's in here somewhere. Okay, so this one has a few words and stuff that they could use and a few different colors. So it has a pink, and they had a lot of other options of these types of foam stickers, and my kids really like to play with those. And then something else that I got, which I only got 1 of these, and it is this Valentine's card kit. And these ones are pop-up ones. Right here, you can kind of see the picture. So I don't know if we'll use these to actually hand out to people, but I thought it would be fun for my kids to be able to make them, or maybe just hand them around to our neighbors. There are 12 in them. I don't know if I said that already, so that's why I just got 1, because each of my kids could just do 4, not 4, 3. I can do math, it's okay. So I thought these would just be a fun extra project they could work on or hand out to their closest friends if they wanted to do that. And then something else that's kind of similar to that is this one. And these are also like a Valentine's card, but there's 36 of them. So if you wanted to buy a few of these, you could have your kids color them and then hand them out for Valentine's. So it has the eyes, some markers, a bunch of different things they could color, some stickers. So this looked like a lot of fun. And again, it can just be an afternoon craft where, here, go color these and have some fun, and just give it to them and let them go at it. So let's see what else. I think that's all that's in this bag. All these are just duplicates of what I've already shown you. So then the last thing that I got, these are the heavy ones, are these rocks, and you can decorate them. It has little sticker decals, which some of the reviews online said they sort of work okay, but they're not the easiest. But it also comes with paint. And so I figured that's what my kids would really like to do, is paint the rocks. So those looked like a lot of fun. And I actually wanted to try to open one for you and show you. My son's scissors are right here, so let's open this and see what it looks like inside, because they are pretty heavy. Okay, so it has paints. It just has a few different colors, but you could always give them more if you have paint. This is for rubbing off the little sticker decals. And then it has some really good sized rocks actually, guys, and then a paintbrush. So these are the rocks in there, which I think is pretty cool. So they're a good sized rock for your kids to be able to paint and have a lot of fun with. And I know my kids are just gonna love that. So this is my Valentine's haul that I got from Michael's, and I just love it. I love to have something easy they can do, or if I'm just really busy and don't have time to create my own crafts, I can just go there and buy stuff, and it's usually on sale sooner than most of the other stores. So if you're interested in seeing more haul videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.